Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you what is there inside the earth. In my previous video, I told you what is geography and how does our earth look from the space, right? So in today's video, we are going to discuss what is there inside the earth. So friends, can you see here in this picture, the people are standing on the earth, right? So it means that we people will live on the earth, not inside the earth. Okay. So many people think that we people will live inside the earth, but that's not the truth. In reality, we all live on the planet Earth. But then you might think that then why don't we fall off, right? It is because of gravity. It is because of gravity that we do not fall off from the Earth's surface. And also because of gravity only, whatever we throw up, that comes down. Okay, whatever thing we throw in the air, it comes down. We will discuss more deeply about gravity in my upcoming videos. So now moving on towards my next slide. So friends, before starting the topic, I would like to ask you a question that have you ever seen a half cut onion? Okay, it has layers inside it. Similarly, our earth also has different layers inside it. Okay, here you can see in the picture that there are major three layers of the earth. Okay, those are crust, mantle, and core. Further, these layers are also divided into inner core and outer core. So these are the main three layers which we are going to discuss in this video. So let's see what's written here. The earth is structured like a peach, composed of four distinct layers: a thin, solid outer crust, a thick, hot, rocky mantle, a liquid outer core of iron and nickel, and a solid inner core. Actually, four layers means what? Considering inner core and outer core, then it means four layers. Otherwise, there are majorly three layers only. Those are crust, mantle, and core, and it can be subdivided into outer core and inner core. So here in the picture you can see that on the crust there are mountains and oceans and water bodies. Then there is asthenosphere, then there is mantle, then there is outer core, then inner core. Now you might be thinking, what is this lithosphere and what is asthenosphere? These are the two new terms, right? So let me tell you that lithosphere is crust and the uppermost solid mantle. Okay, these two layers here, it's shown in the arrow here. These are crust and uppermost mantle. It is called lithosphere. Okay, and then what is asthenosphere? The layer below it is called asthenosphere, that is upper mantle. Separately, upper mantle is called asthenosphere, and this asthenosphere plus the layer above it, it is called lithosphere. Then comes the mantle, and then the outer core and inner core. Now in the next slide we will discuss that which layer is solid and which is liquid. So friends, as we discussed in the previous slide that the earth is structured in three concentric layers, right? Crust, mantle and core. So the outermost layer is solid rocky crust on which we all are living right now. Okay, then it is followed by the dense mantle and then the intensely hot core. Then the core, actually the outer core is liquid and the innermost core is solid. Okay, let's learn this more deeply in the next slide. So friends, here you can see the layers of the earth and how's its chemical composition. So crust, which is 0 to 70 kilometer, and it is the outermost and solid layer, and we all are living on this layer only, on the crust. Then from this 70 kilometer to the next 2891 kilometer, this layer is mantle. It is the thickest layer and it is composed of hot viscous rock. Which means what? Actually it is a solid rock that can, under high pressure and temperature, it can deform and flow slowly over geological time, similar to a thick fluid, we can say. Then from that 2891 kilometers to the next 6371 kilometer deep is the core, so which we can classify into outer core and inner core. As we discussed earlier, that outer core is a liquid metal sphere and inner core is solid metal sphere. You know friends, different minerals are also found in these different layers, which also we are going to discuss in my coming videos. That's all for today's guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to give me your feedback, and also you can ask your queries. I'll try to answer all those queries and solve your doubts. So please keep watching, and also if you like, please share and subscribe my videos so that I can get more and more easy videos for you all. Thank you so much. Bye bye.